Oh shit! Oh my god! Hello guys, I'm Rishabh's friend. Today is trying to get a sub 20 average of 12 and we are here to disturb him and fuck his average up. We are gonna play some few pranks on him. He has set everything up right there. So let's see what's gonna happen. It's gonna be really fun and please watch the video till the end. So guys, we have two things I need to tell you. These two popped up, my best friends Code Aquarium and Rohan. Guys, say hi.
Subscribe, link in bio.
Okay, I'll put the link in bio. The second thing is you can see my table. It's like this because there was repainting going on in my house. That's why we are here on the terrace with all this view. So I'm going to be doing the average of 12 like this.
Seconds.
What the hell? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ?
क्यों भी ओवर एक्टिंग करता है साला? ओवर एक्टिंग की औलाद 50 रुपया काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह।
Hey,
Your average is getting concentrate.
what are you doing? What are you doing? So what are you both trying to do right now?
We are basically helping you out.
Helping you out, bro.
No, we are helping you to get your time better.
So this is-
even when you are distracted.
So this is why you came here to not let me make my video properly.
Basically, yeah.
Sorry.
All the best.
Guys, I don't know what they have planned for me right now. So if something happens to me, note that these two, Vishwa and Rohan, will be the cause for it.
Code Aquarium.
Code Aquarium. He's still plugging himself in when this will be the evidence for the police. I saw it, Rohan. I saw it. Oh shit.
Beda.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought I saw that, but it still caught me off guard. So this is how it's going to be. Scary.
Whoa! You scared me.
I don't know what these two will.
Seconds.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh shit, my cube pop! Pieces, Vishwa, fast! Pieces!
Oh, why should I give?
Ah! Shit! Oh! Oh, that's. Oh!
ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
Oh shit! I don't know what this is. Oh, sorry. There's a lot of cube. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's not even
You need to say.
solvable.
So we basically won this.
Okay, that's 2 for me, 1 for you.
Okay. Happy with that.
Yeah, we'll see. 1 minute 2 seconds. This one, it's okay. I'm not able to concentrate.
8 seconds.
Oh shit, perfume. I mean, it smells good, so. Oh, that's my eye. Starting to get strong.
I did it. 3 for me, 1 for you.
Okay.
Both of you. That's 18.57. Thank God it was some good smelling yardly. ಸುವಾಸನೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. So I've got 3 right now.
Yeah.
You guys have got 1. Yeah. Okay. I can still get a sub 20 average of 12. Okay. Oh shit. I think I know what. That's sandpaper. Oh. Oh my god, this is torture. Algorithm. 23. Oh,
So you have lost that.
yeah.
It's a point for us. 3-2.
Okay. Actually, no. It's not 3-2. It's 2. Wait. We have 5 solves. So I got 120. 20.80. So that's 3 for you, 2 for me.
Yeah. So we are.
Unfortunately. That's okay. I'll get it. Oh, but oh my god. These guys have thoroughly planned this. Like, seriously, thoroughly planned this.
Rishabh, I think it's time to cover your laptop with some sheets.
Sheets, what do you mean?
Yeah.
Where will I get sheets from now?
You're gonna get wet, bro, now.
It's time to get wet.
That's what she said.
So these people are putting some random. I think that they got this from their mom because my mom used the same sheet for the table. I don't know if you guys can see me. So they're using plastic wrapper. Wait, I need the space bar.
Okay.
Do that. Yeah, okay. Starting, boys. Oh shit! Oh my god! What is that? Oh, it just. Oh shit! Oh. Okay. Oh, the cube popping it. Shit. Okay. Whoa.
Well tried.
Shit, the cube popped because of.
4-2.
And this smells like shampoo, not even soap.
It is, bro.
It is Sam. Camera says it.
Okay.
Bro, you can give up.
I'm not giving up. Yeah, I didn't even start the time.
Did not finish. Win on our side.
It's a win.
You want to retake it?
No, it's fine.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's a DNF.
So we are 5 now.
5-2.
5-2.
If I lose 2 more, the video is a bust.
You are a loser.
I can hear it already. Oh, my cube is going through hell right now. People, Cubers watching this video. Oh my god. I can still.
Audio, wait.
Yes,
I pressed it in another place. I'm a mess. 6. I'm a mess.
Enough. Let's show some mercy on him.
These are my friends, guys. My best friends. I'll just clean up a little bit and I'll come back. Oh, I don't know what. Whoa! That's Coke. Okay. Oh.
Sasta champagne. And it's 21.93, guys. We are 7 now.
It's a waste of really good Coke. Okay, what? That's 7-2, is it?
Yeah.
7-2. Coke on ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. I'm starting to feel really cold. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this with all the pandemic situation, but we're gonna have fun. And this one is gonna be the one they both are arguing about. He says we shouldn't be doing this right now. He says we have to do it right now, or else there won't be any fun. So let's try.
8 seconds.
Oh my god. I'm not even gonna try solid.
Thank you.
Damn, my mom will be so pissed about this. I'm still gonna try. Oh. What is he? Oh, gosh.
And we win. Thank you.
Both of you, apologize now. Come on.
Sorry,
No,
auntie.
come back.
Auntie, if you are watching this, we are really sorry.
Auntie, really sorry. Vrishabh was the one who asked for it.
Yeah.
So we just did it.
I didn't ask for it. You guys came suddenly.
He said the pandemic was very boring, so just
A lot of cursing going on here, but okay. Okay, guys, my cube is so sticky and icky with the egg, the Coke, and what else? What else did you guys put? Shampoo. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, there's a rice packet. Okay.
12 seconds.
Oh, what is happening right now? I'm not stopping today. My eyes. Oh, that hit my hand also.
You still didn't solve it?
25 seconds. I'm taking that as a win with all of this. Okay, it's
Congrats, bro. Clean up time.
so cold. Okay, enough. Taking this as a win
No,
to all of you watching.
No.
I got 25 seconds with all
Shut
of
your mouth.
all of
Shut
this.
your mouth. Shut
This is starting to feel like
Shut your mouth.
this is starting to feel like a kidnapping.
Shut your mouth.
Okay, Vrishabh, this is the final challenge. The choice is left to you. Do you want to face the mixture of everything or 2 chilies in your mouth?
Everything means everything, like everything that you have
Including
done to you.
eggs.
Eggs, everything.
2 chilies
And the sound.
or everything. I think I'll take 2 chilies because it's hot. It'll make me feel warmer a little bit. I'm shivering. So I'll take 2 chilies.
As you asked, we are reducing the thing. You just eat 1 chili and try to solve the cube.
Visha, this is reminiscent of when we tried doing a YouTube channel. You know, eat the chili challenge. I don't know if you guys remember this challenge.
Hot
when
pepper
I
challenge.
was in 9th or 10th grade. You know, like all these ice bucket challenge and the eat a chili challenge. It was a huge thing. So my previous YouTube channel, when I was in 10th grade, I tried eating a chili and it did not go down well. I'm doing it again and I know it's not going to go down well. I'm going to keep it in my mouth and I'm going to start chewing it once I start solving the cube. I'm really going to regret this. Okay. Okay, in my mouth. So,
8 seconds.
okay, let's do spicy. Okay. Okay, I didn't know why I agreed to this, but okay, I'm spitting it out.
And it's a win. For the record, it's a win. He has solid in 22.75.
Okay guys, so it took me a few days to remove the stench of myself with the eggs and the party popper and you know the other things that they did to me, and it took a lot of time for me to recover from the spiciness from the chili, but it was a fun video to make. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I do. But before we end the video, I want to reintroduce my best friends to you guys. So this is Vishwa right here.
Again, subscribe to Code Aquarium, link in bio.
Please do subscribe to his channel. And this is Rohan.
Yeah, hi. Subscribe to Code Aquarium and what is it? Turn speed cubing.
No, only Code Aquarium.
See, he doesn't even remember my channel's name, but remembers this guy's channel's
Yeah,
name.
because I keep plugging myself in. He doesn't do that, that's why.
Anyhow, that was a really fun video to make. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Just to let you guys know, I've known these two for almost 8 years now, so I trust them with my lives. And when they suddenly came up when I was filming an average of 12, I just wanted to film a sub 20 pure average of 12, and these guys suddenly came up and I didn't know why they did, but I said okay, maybe you know they just want to see what I'm doing, and they came stocked up with things like party poppers and that snow spray can and eggs, for God's sake, eggs. But you know, when they started doing it, I felt maybe this can be content, and Vishwa was like, yes, this is for content. So it was a really fun video to make. So how did you guys enjoy? Did you enjoy torturing your best friend?
Start with them.
Yeah, to be honest, it felt really good, but
Felt really good.
we had to clean the place up and we felt the aftermath of the things. But yeah, it was actually good.
Thank you, Rohan, for those nice words. Now for Vishwa.
As I said, my buy ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತು As I said, anything for content, and again, anything for content, that's it.
So it was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. If you're a new
If you're a new subscriber,
so if
unsubscribe to
you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and turn post notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content that I'll be posting. So I'll see you guys next time. Hope to see you soon.
ಏನದು
Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Also, a huge shout out to Eli Apperson, aka Explosive Cubing, for being my first ever Patreon. The link to his channel will be in the description below. Please do subscribe.